I grabbed this big hula hoop from Five Below. So I'm gonna take this first one, place it there. We're gonna do the same thing to a second one, and we're gonna place this in an opposite motion. We're gonna place this on either end again. Just take our zip tie and we're gonna keep the pointy end towards the surface. We're gonna just snip off our ribbon, and now it's time to create the main portion of our bow. So this is non-wired ribbon. It is a little bit different to use as it doesn't hold its shape, but after making about 3 to 5 loops on either side, we're gonna have the perfect bow, and that is good enough for me. Let's finish our final loop. To secure our bow, we're gonna use a piece of wire. Take our tails that we pre-cut and just tuck them underneath our bow. Twist it secure, so we can just secure that right on top of the zip tie and tie that wire together. We're gonna just lift up the greenery we've already worked in, tuck it underneath, and use another zip tie to keep that in place.
Just what I need for my latest project, hula hoops. Take some metallic paint that's made for plastics. I'm going to paint these gold. Now you're going to want to get some kind of a clear sealer spray with a light coat of the glaze. Right here, we're going to drill a hole in each side. I'm going to put one hoop inside the other and try and line up my holes where I have drilled. And I'm going to go outside and push all the way through, and then I'm going to push it through the next one. So I have it through 2 hoops. There we go. I had it through all 3, and then before it slips back off, I'm going to put a nut on that. And when I paint these, this will get painted also. I'm going to take a dollar store decorative cake tray and put a small hole in it. It's on high temperature, and I'm just going to put it right in the middle of there. And that is probably all we need. And now I'm going to try and put this right over top of that. Take some Gorilla Clear Grip contact adhesive to secure the plate right here to my hula hoop. And I'm going to put a generous amount wherever these hoops meet. I have just hung it from my garage door with some wire. So now I can go to work on the easy part. The construction of this was the hard part.